In 2026, history may pause. Not in parliaments, not on battlefields, but inside courtrooms. 3 sitting or former presidents, 3 separate legal storms, and consequences that could redraw global power. Not rumors, not theories. Real cases, real warrants, real indictments. This is not about guilt. This is about what happens when power meets the law. These are the presidential trials the world will be watching in 2026. 2026 is not just another year. It's when appeals mature, when international warrants collide with diplomacy, when political protection weakens. Legal systems move slowly, but when they move all at once. And for the first time in modern history, multiple world leaders face simultaneous legal reckoning. Donald J. Trump is not just a president. He is the most criminally indicted U.S. president in history. As of now, Trump has faced federal charges related to classified documents, federal charges connected to election interference, state-level charges involving falsified business records, civil judgments resulting in massive financial penalties. Some cases have already produced rulings, others are mid-appeal. And appeals are where 2026 becomes critical. Because appeals are where sentences are upheld or overturned. Legal analysts expect key appellate decisions to land during 2025 to 2026. Decisions that determine whether convictions stand, whether penalties increase, whether further trials proceed. This is unprecedented. Never before has a current or former U.S. president navigated this many overlapping legal fronts while remaining politically active. The outcome won't just affect Trump. It will define how far presidential immunity truly goes. Vladimir Putin does not face a national court. He faces something rarer, an international arrest warrant. In March 2023, the International Criminal Court issued a warrant accusing Putin of war crimes, specifically the unlawful deportation of Ukrainian children. This warrant does not expire, it does not pause, and it does not care about titles. Over 120 countries are ICC member states. If Putin enters one, those nations are legally obligated to arrest him. That changes everything. It limits travel. It isolates diplomacy. It turns every foreign visit into a risk calculation. No former Russian leader has ever faced this. And while Russia rejects ICC authority, the rest of the world does not. 2026 matters because investigations continue, evidence accumulates, political shields weaken with time. Power can delay justice. It cannot erase it. Nicolás Maduro. Nicolás Maduro is still in power, but outside Venezuela he is already indicted. The U.S. Department of Justice charged Maduro with narco-terrorism, drug trafficking conspiracies, corruption tied to international cartels. The charges are active. The reward for information leading to arrest, up to $15 million. Unlike political sanctions, criminal indictments don't fade quietly. They wait. 2026 could matter if political protection collapses, travel restrictions tighten, international cooperation shifts. History shows this pattern clearly. Leaders appear untouchable until suddenly they aren't. These cases are not about revenge, or headlines, or politics. They are about precedent. What happens when presidents are no longer above consequence? What happens when law outlives power? 2026 may not deliver final verdicts, but it may deliver something just as powerful. A message that even the most powerful names can still be called into court, and the world will be watching.